Okay, today is Friday, the Ides of March, March 15th, 2013, and I am back on my way to the Department of Public Health, of course, naturally to follow up. This, of course, is the wonderful City Hall where you've noticed the videos with the sheriff who can't even walk me across the street, but, you know, can tell me that everything is being done correctly, and, of course, that his hands are tied. If you've been watching the YouTube videos, you've naturally noticed what has happened to me, you know, in following up with the police department, the police commission, the chief of police. I mean, the list is endless. And naturally, of course, the sheriff's department and, you know, the entire process. Now, you have to remember that this is the Department of Public Health, who has probably the largest budget in the city, and apparently isn't delivering appropriate nor proper care. And as far as the law-breaking activities, well, that's something you can judge for yourself. Point of reference, you know, when I took them to the Sunshine Task Force, which I refer to as the Ministry of Sunshine, because they don't really do their job appropriately or correctly, other than to be a shield for the city and obscuring the true facts and, you know, fixing the intelligence. They, of course, got up and made a claim that, you know, I wasn't entitled to my medical records under HIPAA, which, of course, they conceded to later on that I was correct. But, of course, the Sunshine Task Force never held anybody to account for not only the incorrect information, but the fact that it was given by their experts. The same thing happened again in another case in Sunshine, in which I sunshined the Health Commission for the information as to who accredits their patient and medical care side, and of course when that information wasn't provided correctly, the ministry washed its hands by saying it couldn't force the Department of Public Health to produce something it didn't have. So apparently the Department of Public Health does not have the ability nor the resources to know who, you know, accredits them for the patient medical care. All the things that they sent me were incorrect, and I have that paperwork. It's also in a Sunshine case file. Anyway, so here I am, once again, doing everything correctly in a system which doing things correctly don't matter. It's the Ides of March. Please enjoy. We're going up to the 3rd floor, seeing what awaits us. It would certainly be nice to get health care, humanity, civility, but when you're protected and the DA doesn't prosecute, and of course, you know, the police department can't force the medical industry to do what it needs to do, of course, because it can't arrest them so that a judge can. Oh, the play. Everything is just absolutely beautiful. So then again, here I am. Let's follow up. Hello. How are you today?
Can you stop filming? Because
is this a public office or not?
It's a public office.
Thank you. Then what is your expectation of privacy, which you didn't answer last time?
Well, technically, you can't film me unless I give you permission to film me.
In a public office providing public services, you have an expectation of privacy?
Well, for my own self, since you're filming
Well, for
me,
my own self, I have an expectation of the law being followed, which it hasn't been. So now, where are we going from here? I would like to continue following up on the lack of my health care, the incorrect procedure, which is what I came in for the first time.
Okay. I already told you I don't want to be filmed, so you can't film me unless I give you permission to film me.
In a public place seeking public services, that is your spin. Would you like to, you know, once again evade my rights and call the sheriff so that he can escort me out per your definition, which is incorrect? Or shall we just continue, please? Because I'm going to continue to follow up on my health care, or lack of it. Am I supposed to leave now? So you can have me arrested for what? Seeking public services? Oh, I certainly will. Now, would you please tell me what I've done wrong?
Okay. Will you remove your cell phone from me?
Please. Do not touch me. Can you tell me what I have done wrong?
Come on.
Okay, I guess you won't. I will leave the building. Thank you. It's going on YouTube just to prove once again nothing works appropriately and no one is accountable. No, I don't have a choice to talk to you. I'm simply following up. This will be another complaint listed. Thank you for breaking the law again, sir. Oh, and thank you for assaulting and touching me. Once again, proving that a rigged system You know, how can you possibly get health care? How can humanity exist in something that's rigged to fail and there is no accountability? So, you know, where should I go die? Apparently the Department of Public Health doesn't care, and the law doesn't matter. The Ides of March 2013, please, where should I go die? Thank you very much.